Alright, so question number 10. What is this total sale by each region in the month of May? So, again, there are three key values in the question: the sale, the region, and the month of May. So, we know this isn't another simple question, it will involve some calculation. So, we go into our dashboard, we drag the sales tab, we format it again, it is a currency. So here we have it formatted. So we need to show the sales by each region. So we drag the region tab also. So this is the sales by each region. What we need to do is that I have created a calculation by using this sales. So I clicked on this create calculation and created this month. So this just has all the month values stored. I'll show you the calculation. So I have used this command which extracts the month from order date. So what order date is? Order date holds all the dates of the order. So what it does is it will extract the year values, the month values. The month values are the middle ones. The month values 01 and 01 means January, and and 02 and so on. So what it does, it will extract the month from this column, this middle value. Alright, so it does exactly that. These are the months, and it only counts the unique values. Okay, so, and I have created another calculation from this calculation. I created this month name calculation from this month. So I'll show you. Here I used a case statement. When month value is 1, then January, and so on till December. So I can get all the month names sorted by the month numbers. So the visualization should be a good looking visualization. So this command does exactly that. I need to get the May values. So I have also coded the May values. Here what I will do is click on the filter tab and drag this month name. So we need to remember what the question said. We need to show the sale by each region in month of May. So we already have the sale by each region. What we need to do, what is remaining, is that we need to show it in the month of May. So we click on the month name and select the May option. What it will do, it will only give us the values in this plot which are from the month of May. Alright, so here are the values. Here we can also edit the title. So it says that it is from the month of May. Again, we can format to show it the title, the chart label values. Just go into the properties and visualization and click on chart and show value labels. So here we are done. We can see all the values of each region and its sales. So the East region has about $43,000 in sales. We can also sort it so it looks more presentable. So we see that here that the West has the most amount of sales. So this was the question.